In this tutorial, we are going to be looking at how to install Geo POS, that's point of sale, billing and stock manager application script. So to get this script, just come straight to codecanyon.net, then search for the script. This script just costs as $47. So to purchase it, just click on add to cart. Just click on add to cart, then you purchase the script, just $47. So although I'm going to place the link to download the script on my channel, so I have already purchased the script. So let me go straight to my C panel. Then from here I go to my file manager. So for my file manager, I go to my subdomain. So this is the subdomain I'm using. I have already uploaded my zip file, my script I bought. So next I'm going to extract it. Extract files. So after extracting it, I click on close. Then next I open this. After opening it, I select all to move the directories to the root folder. I move files. Then next I click on up one level. Now I have successfully uploaded my file to my file manager. Next I'm going to my C panel back, then to my database to create my database. So databases, then my SQL databases. Then next I create my database. Let me name it as A B C D E F. Yes. Then next I click on create database. So created successfully. Next I click on go back. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So next I'm going to create a user. Let me say the name of my user is this. Next I click on create user. So I've created a user successfully. Then I click on go back. After that I'm going to add my user to my database. So let me scroll down. Where is it? Okay, it's already selected. Then I click on add. I give all privileges, then scroll down to make changes. Now I have created my database and uploaded my script to my file manager. So next I will go to my subdomain, which is so after that I scroll down. Next, everything is fine. I click on next. So here is localhost database user. I will come back here to select, you copy it. So here is as user. So here My email, let me say admin@admin.com. Yes, let me scroll down. So I fill this part. After filling this part, I click on finish. Okay, let me close this. Don't forget to delete your install directory. So I go back to my file manager to delete the install directory. I right click on it, then delete. Skip the trash and permanently delete the files. Confirm. So I have deleted it. Next, I come back here, go to login page, then I log in with my login details. Yes, then click on login. Okay, here's my dashboard. So here's my dashboard. I can go to anywhere I want from here. So here's my sales. Anywhere I want to go to from here. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channels. And if you have any project you want to execute your application, please don't forget to use the link below. That's my engagement. Don't forget to use the engagement link to engage me, to help you to create your apps. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And if you want to install this script, also use the engagement link to help you install it.